What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make a trade using NovaBot on Telegram. Now to do this, the process is really simple, quick and easy. Just follow the steps I'll show you guys in this video. In case you guys haven't started using NovaBot, I'll provide a link in the description. You guys can go and access this bot from there. Well, hit the start button and you will see these options popping up right here. Now above is your wallet's address. You can create a new wallet or import an existing one. Well, this is the new wallet that I just created. So this is my NovaBot's wallet address. What I can do is go to my Solana wallets, for example Phantom, log into my Phantom wallet, and once logged in, let me just log in. I'll just copy this address and I'll go and select this send option right here, put in that address, and I can simply deposit Solana in this address. And once done with that, click on this buy option in order to buy a token, and it will ask you to paste a token's address. For that, I can head over to SoulScan, copy this address of a random coin, for example this official Trump coin. So I'll just go and paste it right here. Once pasted, it will show you these options. It will show you some of the details of the coin's address that we just pasted. You can check your current positions. This is your current active wallet. If you click on it, it will show you your current balance with your wallet's address. Now this is our active wallet, and going back to the options, there are tons of options that we can explore. For example, you can snipe using this NovaBot, and you can set up limit orders. And furthermore, there are buying presets to quickly buy the amount of coin using these presets. Buying presets, you can also go and type in specific amounts using this Excel option. Simply type in the amount and it will quickly try to make that transaction, checking your balance. For example, here, if your balance is sufficient, it will quickly buy that coin for you. And coming back, you can also enable map protection, disable it, change slippage amount. Simply go and type in the slippage amount that you want for your transaction. You can also go and add the NovaBot extension to your Google Chrome to quickly use it with bullets. Well, that's how you can start using this bot. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys in the next video.